drawn the Fakar-e-Quam Award from former Punjab Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal, citing his involvement in granting a controversial pardon to Dera Sacha Sauda Chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh. Akal Takht Jathedar Gyani Raghbir Singh, along with 4 priests, announced further punishments for 5 individuals, including Sukhbir Badal. Former Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir, who has a leg fracture, will serve as a security guard at the Golden Temple. So that's the latest that's coming in, where we learn that the Akal Takht, the Supreme Sikh Authority, has withdrawn the Fakar-e-Quam Award from former Punjab Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal, citing his involvement in granting a controversial pardon to Dera Sacha Sauda Chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim. Now, Akal Takht Jathedar Gyani Raghbir Singh, along with 4 priests, announced further punishments for 5 individuals. We have Lalit joining us on the phone line. Yes, Lalit, please share more details about the case.
Well, if we talk about today, the highest Sikh body, the religious Sikh clergy today announced the punishment, quantum of punishment to the Sukhbir Singh Badal.
Punishment to the Sukhbir Singh Badal, who is the Akali Dal president. And if we talk about Sukhbir Singh Badal, have confessed all the mistakes which he and the party have committed from year 2007 to 2017. So today the Akal Takht Jathedar Raghbir Singh announced the quantum of punishment to Sukhbir Singh Badal and the other Akali Dal leaders who have been in the power from year 2007 to 2017. One important thing is that the Shiromani Akali Dal patron Prakash Singh Badal's title has also been taken away, has also been stripped away from the Akal Takht, in which he was given Fakar-e-Quam title. So that has also been taken. Other than that, if we talk about from tomorrow onwards, Sukhbir Singh Badal would be doing religious punishment in the Golden Temple, holding a signboard and standing outside the Golden Temple and cleaning the toilet. So these are all the punishments which have been given by the Akal Takht. Other than that, if we talk about all the rebel and the party leaders have also been asked to accept the resignation of Sukhbir Singh Badal and constitute a body within the next 6 months. So these are the certain important decisions which have been taken by the Akal Takht. It is very important to tell that from the past couple of months, if we talk about on August this year, Sukhbir Singh Badal was announced as Tankhaiya. So the fate of Sukhbir Singh Badal and Shiromani Akali Dal was just count on the quantum of punishment. Back to the studio.
Right. Thank you for sharing us with all those details, Lalit. We'll keep coming back to you as and when we get updates on that story. But for now, we move on and shift our focus